Welcome to SK Lifestyle. Before we get started, I'd appreciate it if you would like and share this video once you're done, and also hit that subscribe button down below. So with that said, you're here because you want to change the light bulb in your oven. And if you're like me, maybe you've been dilly-dallying for too long, having to use a flashlight inside to see what's going on, but you finally want to get it fixed. So whether you already have your replacement or you're trying to figure out which one you need and you're trying to get the bulb out, this will definitely help you. So it's going to be a very quick video. Now, most ovens, if you open up, you probably have a model number right in there. So you can use that to figure out what kind of bulb you need. Or again, you can just take the bulb out and then search that way. So I have my bulb right here, and let's get to it. And just a few quick tips to help you out with this. Number one, if you have a rack at the top, just remove the rack. Give yourself a little bit more room to maneuver. That said, the other thing that you should consider when doing this is to have some kind of oven mitt or grip that you can use in your hand, or even just a rubberized glove. And my final tip, which should be pretty obvious, don't do this when you just ran the oven or while the oven is on. All right, that's it. Let's get to it. So I'm gonna open up the oven. Again, like I said, it's gonna be quick. Just remove the top rack. The actual bulb is right in there. Now, what we need to do is just reach inside with our glove and just twist to the left like anything else. And this is what it's going to look like. Just a glass housing. Again, you want to be able to grip it really good with the palm of your hand and not have to worry about crushing it. And it's thick, but still, get a good grip. This one isn't too greasy because we clean once in a while, but you know, there could still be a little grease on it. And then what's also good about having the glove is now I can take out the bulb and not have to worry about it crushing in my hand. But try to still be delicate with it. And there you go. And now you can obviously see what kind of bulb you need if you don't know already. And if you got yours, then we can go ahead and replace it. So I already got mine here, and I'll put the link in the description down below for the bulb I'm using for the oven that I have. And there you go. It's that simple. We're just gonna throw this baby in there. Just a little pressure, and there you go. Voila, we got light, don't we? Let's see how that baby looks. There we are. So obviously we can see inside there now. We can actually work and do our cooking without having to wonder how it's going, having to use a flashlight, and that's very nice. But of course we have one more thing to do, and that is to put the cover back on. So just be very easy, take your time, make sure you're all the way around the bulb until it's nice and tight. Now we're good to go. We can actually cook in here and we'll have light again. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. So again, if this was helpful to you, if you did appreciate it, be sure to like and share. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comment section down below. And be sure to hit that subscribe button. Now, you don't have to hit the notification bell if you don't want your phone going off once or twice a week when I post. But at least when you go into YouTube and you go across the feed, my channel will show up. And again, it also helps support my channel too, so I really appreciate it. So with that said, have a great day. Have a good time cooking now with the light on, and I will see you all next time.